Hi guys, hope you're doing okay. Just want to say Miss S and I miss you guys very, very much. I'm looking forward to when I actually get to see your faces. Anyway, this is the April Monthly, Chapter 4, The High Level. What happened to my paycheck? Oh no, sounds like we might have a few problems with our paycheck. Remember, recap, Keisha was working, start over. Keisha figured out what she liked and didn't like and what job she might want to do. She applied for a job, got the job, and now she's working for a paycheck. So, from there on, this is the next chapter. Today is payday. Keisha is excited. This will be her first check. She has done the math. She has worked 6 days for 4 hours each day. That's 24 hours. Keisha earns $10 an hour. Keisha's paycheck should be $240. So what she did is she took 24 hours that she worked and she times it by $10. Keisha's paycheck should be $240. That's what she thinks. Do you guys think she's right? What do you think is going to happen to her check? Keisha will save $200 for her goal to move in an apartment, and she will keep $40 to use as spending money. She will buy some new clothes or do something fun with her friends. But when Keisha gets her check, it is less than $240. It is only $190.61. Keisha shows her mother and asks, what happened to her paycheck? Do you guys know what happened? We'll have to turn the page to find out. But let's quickly do the math there. Hold on, I'm opening it up. So here's our calculator. She was supposed to get $240. So 190.61. So she's almost $50 short that she thought she was getting on her check. I wonder what happened. Her mother explains, when you get a job, you actually give some of your income to the government. These are deductions taken from your paycheck. These deductions are made before you ever even get your paycheck. This money goes to pay for taxes and your benefits. Tax is an amount of money people pay to the government to get things done. There are federal, state, and local taxes. So the taxes are to pay for roads, schools, things like that. And then also when they talk about your benefits, that should be on the next page. Oh, no. So benefits are like insurance, Social Security for when you get older and you retire, the government gives you that money back. So Keisha and her mother look at the pay stub attached to her paycheck. It shows the number of hours she worked and how much she made. There are other numbers too. It lists FICA, federal tax, state tax, and Medicare. These are all deductions from her paycheck. Keisha's mother explains that the government uses tax money to pay for many things. Some of these include military, government jobs, healthcare, roads, police and fire departments, and schools. So when you get a job and you get your first paycheck, you're going to have taxes taken out. And that's kind of sort of some of the things that, well, that is some of the things that your taxes go to. FICA and Medicare are different types of taxes. FICA is a Social Security tax. We pay money into FICA the entire time we work. We get some of this money back when we retire. This is called Social Security. This is called Social Security. Medicare is a tax. we pay to help people 65 or older who are sick. It helps to pay for their doctor bills and medicines, explains Keisha's mother. So Medicare helps cover when you get older, going to the doctor and medications and things of that nature that you might need. I don't like that some of my income is taken by the government, but my taxes help pay for things like schools, roads, and the police. And those are all things we need, says Keisha. That's right. Now let's get that check to the bank so you can start saving for your future, says Keisha's mother. Keisha and her mother drive to the bank to open a savings account. She will put most of her check into the savings account. She is excited to be earning her own income and working towards her goal at having her own apartment when she graduates from high school. It's always good to have goals and to work towards them. So that was the end of chapter 4. I want you guys to think about that and kind of talk with your parents or your supervisor about if they get paid, what taxes they get taken out and how does it look for them. Then when you're done, log in to Canvas and see what your assignments are for the April chapter 4 monthly. Have a great day, guys.